Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. Beautiful job by GM Clements on the same estate as us at Alfreton. As you can see, this tank, if you'd have seen what a mess this thing was, it's used our Wagners tank sealant inside and had bits brazed on. But what a beautiful job. I'll send you some photos of the actual original tank and you would not believe how good a job Carl and the guys here have done. So if you need any great painting doing, as you can see, this tank was absolute trash. Been completely restored and sprayed, and it's GM Clements, Alfreton, Derbyshire. Give Tim and the guys a bell on, what's your number?
It's 01773
01773
521
521
714.
714, and here's Tim the boss hiding in the background. But give us a call or give Tim a call if you want any fantastic artwork doing or any kind of pinstriping. These are all done by hand on this old 1920s Triumph. But if you'd have seen this tank in the first place, you would not believe what an amazing job they've done. Or give us a call as well, 01773 835 666. Thank you.